If your vacuum has stopped working, there are several possible reasons for the issue. The problems can often be attributed to a damaged electrical supply, clogged filters, or blockages in the vacuum's hose. To address these issues, start by checking the electrical supply. Verify that the outlet is functioning by unplugging the vacuum and plugging in another appliance. If the second appliance also fails to work, the outlet may be faulty, in which case it's best to consult a professional for repair. Next, inspect and clean the filters, removing any blockages. A mixture of water and baking soda can be used to clean the filters. And if cleaning is unsuccessful, replacement may be necessary. Finally, check the hose for any obstructions by dismantling it and its attachments. Then use a long, thin object like a broom handle to clear any blockages. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the problem with your vacuum.